In this video, I will show you how to create columns in your WordPress post or pages. Search this plugin, Column Shortcodes, install and activate. Adds shortcodes to easily create columns in your post or pages. So guys, very simple and easy to use this plugin to add and to create column. Just install and activate and try and use this plugin. And guys, also share your experience with this plugin. Comment how you are feeling about using this plugin. So this is a short and basic video to learn how to create columns in WordPress post or pages. Thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.